get yourself, Darth Tico.
I'm afraid you've let base sentiment overwhelm your senses.
We're tired of your insults.
You're the most powerful person in the galaxy, and you're worrying about this nerf herder.
Hey, it is a noble profession.
My dear apprentices, I'm almost proud of you.
Thank you.
I said, almost. You were no one when I found you. And you're still no one. No! I should have killed that decrepit old Jedi when I had the chance. Coming for you, Siggy!